What we got going on here, man?
Hey, we have some tamales left over from last night's revival. We had like 2 dozens left. So I don't have to cook every day. If I find something to reheat and eat, that's what I'm gonna do. So let's see what we got. I believe these ones right here are jalapeno and cheese. And we're gonna take it out and they're hot. And I used my power cooker and it only took 4 minutes.
Let's see what you got here.
And now, this is some green chili mole that I made a couple days ago that I had in the refrigerator. I reheated it, just put it right on top like that. And now we need a test subject. Come on, Frank. How's it look?
Oh, it looks pretty good.
I'll have you sit right there. You can-
So we got a cheese jalapeno tamale with what is it on top of it?
Green salsa, green chili mole.
Green chili mole. We're gonna give it a shot, you guys. It looks pretty good. It's hot. Very good.
Better than last night?
Yeah. Very good.
Okay, now we're gonna do the pork ones. They're hot. So put that like that. Put this away. Okay, this is how we make it. Got the tamale, and we're gonna take it over here to the cheese. I mean to the chili.
Bob, what do you want to drink?
Icy.
No, there's none.
And a little bit of our cheese sauce. And that's how you make it.
All right, guys. So it looks like we got a pork tamale with chili and cheese on top of it. We're gonna dig right in here and see what we got going. Okay. It's hot.
Good.
Wow, it's really good.
Now you ate the tamales plain last night.
Yeah.
They was pretty good, wasn't they?
It was pretty good, yeah.
But how they taste down with the
No.
chili and cheese?
Totally different dynamic, man. It's good.
Bomb.
Really?
Very good. The cheese and the chili just takes them to another level.
What do you think, Aaron?
Bomb. Amazing.
All right.
Very good.
What do you think, Mo?